Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2020 Ford Mustang convertible, stock number 7442. It's run from the 10th 2017 to the 4th 2023. There's an FN 5-litre V8 Coyote engine, 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a 5-litre V8 Petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, right rear 19-inch factory Omega tyre, right front 19-inch factory Omega tyre, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,